Please check parts provided when you buy LIVINGCARE water purifier. Prepare monkey spanner, flathead screwdriver, and drill blade for convenient installation. In the case of one-hole type, close the cold water supply valve with the cold water faucet opened under sink. Please check the water supply is cut off. Next, separate bellows from water pipe by monkey spanner and connect it with the water pipe after putting packing into the connecting socket. When the installation is done, assemble them with bellows connected. In order to insert supply and drain hoses under sink, penetrate a hole more than 13 millimeters. Put the supply and drain hoses under the sink through the hole on the upper layer of the sink. After putting a cap separated from the connecting socket on the supply hose, put hoses into the connecting socket thoroughly and tighten the cap by monkey spanner. First, cut off both sides of tap water valves by flathead screwdriver. Next, loosen and separate each water supply valve alternately by monkey spanner. After putting packing into inside of all sockets, connect the connecting socket with the cold water side pipe and install the general socket with a hot water side pipe and tighten them by monkey spanner. Combine each faucet separated alternately and tighten them by monkey spanner. When the combination is done, put a cap separated from the connecting socket on the supply hose. Put hoses into the connecting socket thoroughly and tighten it by monkey spanner. After the completion of the process so far, in order to connect the drain hose with it, hold it with cable ties after inserting the drain hose into the drain pipe. In order to connect hoses with the purifier, remove the supply and drain cap behind the purifier first. Insert the orange hose into the supply hole and the blue hose into the drain hole respectively. A case insertion into the supply hose and the drain hose is switched incorrectly can be a cause of breakdown. After combining a removable drain spout with the purifier, open the cold water supply valve and open the connecting socket valve by making it on a line with the supply hose. After all the installation is done, connect the single outlet with power. When the power is connected, all power is on the buttons, and the power is only on the purifying button after 3-time beep sound.